Hi, welcome to Jen's Daily Dish, where I bake things on camera for the very first time so you can bake along with me and learn from my mistakes. Today we're making crazy bread. Have you ever gone to Little Caesars and had those delicious breadsticks that they make that are covered with garlic and Parmesan and buttery and oh so good? We're making those today. Oh yes we are. It's really quite simple. Throw all the ingredients together, let it rest, make your breadsticks, let it rest, shove it in the oven. Yeah, shove it in the oven. That's right, because it's really that simple. And then you add the topping on top. So, it inspired this song, of course. Got me wanting crazy bread right now. This bread's got me craving it right now. Making it now, making it fast. Let's bake it in the oven right now. Let's do this. Water, yeast, sugar. Stir gently, and then we're gonna let this sit for about 5 minutes, get nice and foamy so that yeast starts to eat. Add in melted butter, salt, flour. Create a shaggy dough for about 1.5 minutes, slow speed. Increase the speed to medium until it forms a smooth, supple piece of dough. Time's up. Let's see if it's smooth and supple. It is. It's bouncing back. It's very smooth. You can put this in a separate bowl, but I'm going to leave it in here. Spray with some cooking oil, slightly, get this thing a little bit oiled. Cover with saran wrap, put in a warm place, and let rise for about 1 to 1.5 hours. It got puffy. Go ahead and put this on your work surface. We're going to divide this into 18 pieces as equally as we possibly can. Take one piece of your dough. We're just gonna keep folding it in and on top of itself so it has one seam on the bottom. We're gonna make a nice tight ball here. Now we're gonna roll it from the center into a 6-inch breadstick. Once you've gotten to 6 inches, go ahead and move it over to your baking sheet. Cover with plastic wrap and let rest for 30 minutes. While your breadsticks are having their final rest, preheat your oven to 400 degrees. These got nice and puffy and are ready for the oven. Into the oven for 14 to 15 minutes. They should be a nice golden brown. They look nice golden brown. Let's take them out. Ooh, they look great. Now let's make that special topping. Get your melted butter ready to go. Add some salt, some garlic powder. Feel free to add more if you like. Whisk together. Brush the tops with that lovely buttery garlicky mixture. And just add a little more. Add some Parmesan cheese right on top. If you like, you can also add just a little bit more salt on top to give it that extra little special flavor. Look at this crazy breadstick. I mean, come on. Butter, garlic on top with the Parmesan cheese, and the breadsticks were so easy to make. Let's give them a taste. Wow, these are great. So easy to make. You can make them yourself. You could add extra ingredients into the dough. Want to add some garlic in? Go right ahead. You could add some pizza seasoning in. Oh, yes, you could. You could even make these sweet. Think about it. You could put cinnamon and sugar on top, and then you could have sweet breadsticks, just like Aunt Annie's. I just might have to do that in a future video. But for the meantime, these are delicious. Enjoy. If I can make Little Caesars crazy bread for the very first time with you watching me every step of the way, you can too. Don't forget to like, subscribe, check me out on Instagram for so much more.